Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm simply going to show you. In this video, we'll go over how to use Threads, an Instagram app. Now, you might have seen Threads as a brand new app created by Meta. I'm simply going to walk you through all the steps to download it, to set it up, and how to use its feature, all of that stuff. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you simply have to hoop into App Store or Google Play Store. At the top in the search bar, you simply have to search for Threads, and now the key thing is that you need Threads and Instagram app. You can see towards the bottom here, Threads not affiliated with Instagram. We not need Threads and Instagram app. So let's just tap on the first one and download it. The cool thing is that if you have an Instagram on your phone and you have an Instagram account, it will just pull up all of your information from Instagram. So let's just open up the app. Basically, I have already set up my account. You will see is a screen that allows you to log in into your Instagram account. So just go through those steps and it will promote you to follow some people if you want to follow some of the people. Basically, once you have done, then it will bring you to this screen that looks like this. Now I'll show you a bunch of different threads, as known as they are kind of similar to the Twitter tweets, so you can go through them here. Of course, this is the Meta's version of competing with Twitter, and there's already some big names on here. So if I tap on search button, you'll see all the big people named as Motivation Mafia, Mr. Beast, Colourpop, Maybelline, Kaja Beauty, and NYX. So let's just keep down. There are a bunch of different brands. A lot of different people are verified. A lot of people already have thousands, hundreds, and millions of users on this Threads app. So you can see Instagram already has 2.1 million followers. So now from here you can simply follow any of the person. For example, if I want to follow Mr. Beast, Anastasia Hills, so Wealth, MAC Cosmetics, now I have followed them, and then now their threads will be appear on my timeline. You can also search for users by simply tapping on the search bar icon at the top of the screen. Now if you want to post a thread, you simply have to tap on the bottom up button, and here you can type in anything. For example, if I am saying hi, you can attach any of the photo or video, anything you want to add. So keep in mind that it's kind of like a Twitter tweet. You can usually add text, but you can also have images as well. So at the bottom you will see the option of your followers can reply. If you'll tap on that, it will ask you who can reply. Your followers, your profiles you follow, mentioned only. You can select any of the option. After that, you simply have to tap on the post button at the bottom right corner of the screen. So this will post your first thread now. Now if you want to see that first thread, you have to tap on the profile, and here you will see that I have just posted hi as my first thread. On here you can also see edit profile and share profile button. So let's just tap on the edit profile. Now the cool thing is that I have my name which was bought over from Instagram. I can write a bio, add a link, and I can have a private profile. If I don't want anyone else to be able to see my threads unless I approve them, I can make it private by simply tapping on this go back and simply tapping on this little check mark icon at the top left corner of the screen, and the very first option is to enable private profiles. If you'll go back, you can also add the profile picture by simply tapping on edit profile, and you can add a profile picture. You can add a new profile picture, import from Instagram. Now if you want to see the follow request or anything else, you have to tap on this little heart icon, and here you'll see all of the activity. You can see requests, replies, and mentions according to your thread. So this was the easiest and quick tutorial for using the Thread app. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.